Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer teriyaki burgers. Let's begin. We have here some ground beef. It is 85% lean, 15% fat, and it's around 1.3 pounds. Let's open it up. Here we go. We're going to season the beef with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. One tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We'll be using La Choy teriyaki sauce. You can use any teriyaki sauce you like. Let's open it up. We're going to need 5 tablespoons. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to mix everything up. Okay, everything is nicely mixed in, and lastly we're going to add 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix it in. Okay, the breadcrumbs are nicely mixed in as well. We're going to take it out. Here we go. We're going to try to shape it into a rectangle. We're going to be cutting it into 4 pieces because we're making 4 burgers. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to roll it into a ball. We're going to take some saran wrap and place it on top. And next, we're going to flatten it with a pan. There we go, we have 1. You want to flatten it to the point where you can fit 4 burgers into the air fryer. We're going to put it on the plate. We're going to do another one. We're going to put the saran wrap over it. And flatten it with a pan. There you go. Looking good. We're going to put it on a plate. We have here some pineapple, and we're just going to open up the can. We're going to put the pineapples to the side for right now. We will also need some honey. We're going to pour some into a bowl. Looking good. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. And we're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the burgers. There we go, we have 4 teriyaki burgers in the basket, and now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 11 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 5 minutes so far. Let's flip them over. Looking great. We're going to flip them over. There you go, we flip them over. And now let's put it back in for the last 6 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 8 minutes so far. Let's put in the pineapples. There we go. Next, we're going to brush a little bit of honey on top of the pineapple. Looking good. And now let's put it back in for the last 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 11 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. We're just going to check the internal temperature of the burger. And it's above 160 degrees. And we're set. We'll be using Village Hearth hamburger buns, and let's take some out. Next, we're going to add some mayo to the buns. Spread the mayo out. Looking good. Let's take the burgers out. Next, we're going to place the bun on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer teriyaki burgers. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.